Your Minga is at its best when your whole community is a part of it. That's why we made the joining process as simple as possible. Joining by code is a quick way to get lots of users signed up without having to send a single invitation. Here's how it works. As an owner or manager, navigate to the Minga settings page. Open the joining menu and set the toggle to enabled. Now you need to choose which role the people who join with your code will have. You can choose between student or parent. If you select both, users will pick their role when they join. With your code ready, share it throughout your school. Put it in a flyer, on an announcement. It's totally up to you. Remember, anyone who has your code can join your Minga. If for some reason you decide you want a different code, you can always get a new one. Just a heads up though, this means no one will be able to join using the old code. Finally, if at any time you decide you don't want people to be joining by code, just turn it off.